I'm on my desk now, so that's great. Well, yes. I had to leave off because, well, I didn't have it. So, where's the bow? I'll go get it. Just wait a minute. Where is it? Here. Got it. Indeed, here's your bow. So, anyway, I don't know, I just want to ask if you have any idea, any special good website where you can get old or rare videos, or Tinkertoy is my favourite. No, don't be offended, any videos, I like them all. I'm just saying, I'm just saying, Hatchimals are very, short. I don't know why I got it. I just thought it's just so cute, so anyway, really short. And one of my Beanie Boos are, even shorter than my Hatchimal. That's ridiculous. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. Sorry, Veg. Oh, yes, I'm making a tutu for her. My friend calls her Bugsy. My brother calls him Tinsel. I call him Candy Cane sometimes. But his real name is Bella. So, aka, whatever. So, my brother got to him in, when we were on the airport. Going on holiday to get somewhere. So, we landed in Melbourne, so, yeah. Slush, I got her Toys R Us. I got her What's New, where I live. And I got her something like Toys R Us, I think. I got her for Easter. She's more of a Halloween one, but whatever. I got this one for Christmas. So let's get this started. So I don't want to get any late goers, so I'm just waiting until it's 2 minutes just in case. Oh, anyway, I'll just say what we need. We need thread. Where's the needle? Thread, I just need to get that down. A needle. Don't put it in there. Look how much clinking it makes. It's very high pitch. Oh yeah, it's not making the noise anymore. I don't know if you can hear that, but okay. You need different types of scissors. I need fabric. My friend liked this fabric on my big elephant. So yeah. But yeah, just need to show you the bows. So Leanna's one close up. Because I had to leave off early because I didn't have enough space. And Lindy's bow, she's cute. So I might have to have part 2 of doing this one, but I'm just going to remove all my Beanie Boos because I just need a bit of space. I'm probably going to sneeze in a second, but wait. Sorry, I'm sick. Don't say that I'm dumb sick, but no, doesn't matter. Yeah. On my desk, so that's great. Really great, really great. I'm just going to move the holding of the camera, so you need one of these. So, it's better when you're on the desk, because you just need to put your hands around the camera. This was the camera, just put your hands around, do that. But anyway, yeah. So, I'm going to make it a tutu, so, just going to use the big scissors, because that's going to be tight. So, I'm just going to take it from the side. It's hard for my nose, it's just a lot easier. Sorry, I'm really sick. I'm not coughing anywhere or sneezing anywhere near my Beanie Boos. And put in the comments in the last one if you want to see the whole thing that I've made. But if you don't ever get a comment, I don't care. I'm still going to show you all my Beanie Boo clothes I've made. And they'll be all wearing it probably. Or not probably, obviously. I'm going to make 2 of these because my friends can have one and I can have one. This one's for my friend because, well, size of Bugsy. No, Bella. I'm just going to call you Bella because my name's Bella. No, I'm just going to call you Pencil or Candy Cane. I don't know. I'm just going to call her Bella. I don't know. Don't judge me, please don't. Now, just need to get the... Oh, it's very hard on sewing, but it's just right there. So I'm just making it really long. Why don't you sit up properly? Okay. Now, we need it very long. I don't know why, I just want to... Is that a dead spider? My face is not getting it, but I think there's a dead spider on my desk. It's like a tiny one, so it's not very, it's very harmless. It's dead anyway. I'm not scared of spiders, I just don't like them. Like, I like the spider babies, but nothing else. My desk is dirty because there's pen all over it. Oh, if you know, like, I like trying to totos. I didn't even know she existed, really. So anyway, I'm probably gonna have to have a part 2 doing this one, because I don't always get it right the first time, but I'm just gonna put that there. Like, I'm getting the thing here. Now I'm going to make a few knots at the bottom, or like the back of it, at the bottom, because people are going to laugh. The back of the thing, and we have to make it really big, because, well, you can see they have tiny little holes if you have one. You can see like the light goes through it, so you get what I mean. Like, you have to have more than just one. Now, I'm not going to be looking at the camera. I'm just going to be looking at this tightening. There's 2, if you get 3 in a row, but sometimes you'll have to have like 8 because it doesn't go right. But anyway, I'm just quickly doing it. Oh no, didn't do it. Now I'll probably have to have like 4 in one bundle, but I don't care. Oh Jesus, I'm feeling very sick. Yes, I did it. Now it's really quite big. I think it looks like a tiny little zit. They can have on your nose like teenagers have on their nose. But no offense, teenagers. Some teenagers, not all teenagers. Now, your beanie boo, I'm just going to make it a bit higher. So there's my door right there. My hand looks very big, and the door, like, it can be just punched to smithereens. But it's just actually quite massive. So get your fabric and poke it through. Now just do that like this. Probably going to put that down a little bit. If you don't know how to sew, ask your mum and dad. Just put it through and out. You can say no. You could use a sewing machine, but that is useless sometimes. I have a plastic one, but it's not working. It does not work for me. So just keep going in, then out, and in, then out. It looks nice like that, but yeah, it actually looks very nice. I like it. It's like getting really smooth. Oh, I just love this. If you like this, love this. Oh, wow. Anyway, with the buying stuff, I would like to know. Put that in the comments below, please, because I am dying to get one of those old ones, like oldish, rare ones. But I just don't know which website to go on, because some of them are just all brand new Beanie Boos. If you know how to get some of the old ones, I don't mind you getting coconut, because coconut's so cute. I don't know why, people don't like coconut. Or Tuffy, oh yes, that would be a dream come true. And I don't want them to be overpriced, because I've seen a Tuffy that was like $60, like that is unreal, like that's unreal. $60, you could get maybe one of those massive ones, or 6 Beanie Boos is $60. Because like dollars, pounds, whatever you have. Oh my god, I do it in dollars. It's a lot easier for me to understand it. But some of them are just so overpriced. If you know what I mean, like so overpriced. If you bought a Beanie Boo and it was like $20 and it was like this size, or Slush's size, yeah, you know what I mean, and you pay so much money, and they're not even good quality out as well. It's just not fair. You waste $50 or something if you buy like a whole bunch of them. I lost the whole bunch I wanted so badly. I lost it because someone else bought it, but I'm happy for them because they got what they wanted. But I'm just sad I didn't get it. So I was looking out of the net for a little while, just looking. Oh, where is it? Oh no, somebody bought it. Oh wow, it's actually really cute. Now, I'm just going to tie that from the top. Now, I'm just going to slip that end. Just one. Just don't slip both, because then you'll have a bit of fabric, like thread coming out. Now you can remove the needle because that's a bit pointy. So this is a DIY skirt. I will have to get it under 15 minutes. So I thought this would take like 10 minutes, like 15 to 16 minutes, but it's not. It actually took a lot shorter time. So it's quick and easy DIY dress, skirt, tutu thing. I don't know what I'm gonna write down as a head title. But anyway, like, never mind. If you want to see my Beanie collection, I'll probably do that on my birthday, because it will be really good, because that will be like a year gone past, because that's the first time I actually got my first Beanie, so that's actually quite a good idea to do it for my birthday. And anybody want to come in, don't come in. So here's a little skirt. This one, that is just so cute. It's actually really cute. Get off the... Jesus. This is so cute. I love this thing. It's so cute. It might not be the best looking thing I have ever seen, but I think it's so cute. Like, I think it's so cute. Da 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 da. Yeah, these ones are sitting down, like this one, like a bear. They're very easy to make skirts for, because you don't really see it, because usually they're holding something, like Cutie Pie. She's holding a heart. Cuddles. Look, Cuddles, guess what it says? My pink spots and my gold horn and something like that. Oh my god, if you had like a Beanie like that, tell, because I really want to know if you do. So I'm probably just going to shush, because I'm talking too much. So this is the skirt. I'm going to be really sick. Alright. So it's really cute. So this is a DIY skirt. So put a thumbs up if you like this video. Put a comment down below if you want to see all the collection of clothing. Oh, I thought that was 21 minutes. Oh, it's 12 minutes, thank goodness. And if you have a good website to get rare or old Beanie Bears like Cookie or Twinkle Toes, I don't know. She's actually 2017, but I can't get her. She's all been sold out where I live. All sold out. You can only find it like 2 hours away. You can find it 2 hours away. 2 hours away. But that's just ridiculous. So I'm just gonna clean up my area. Maybe not in the best way, but at least I'll clean up my area. So there's bears. I only have one bear, but I have a koala called Kissy. No, I'm not going to bother get her. So DIY skirt was my first one. And DIY headbands for cats. Like these. They can go on any of them, but I'm just choosing cats for now. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Now how do you turn this off? This button. Okay. So don't forget to put the comments down below. Fetch. Alright, I'll do it. How do you do it?